The Daily 2 is brought to you by the Florida Department of Citrus. Welcome to the Daily 2. I'm Laura Polka. We are in cold and flu season, and the importance of vitamin C cannot be underestimated. Registered dietitian Samara Abbott is here to talk about how Florida orange juice can help. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me about the 5 amazing ingredients in every glass.
So in each glass of Florida orange juice, we have the amazing 5, vitamin C, potassium, folate, great taste, and no added sugar.
Now, in addition to warding off colds and flu, it also hydrates. How does that happen?
Yes, so Florida orange juice contains essential electrolytes, which help with our fluid balance.
How can orange juice help fight off colds and flu? Is that really true?
Yes, so Florida orange juice has vitamin C, which is known to support our immune system by protecting our cells and also promoting the function of our immune cells.
And it can also shorten a cold if you have one?
Yes, if you drink Florida orange juice or vitamin C consistently, then it's been shown to shorten the duration of the common cold by up to 8% in adults and by up to 14% in children.
You brought some really amazing recipes, ways to get your vitamin C. Tell us about them.
Yes, so all of these recipes are very simple and fun to make. We have our turmeric boost drink, which combines the benefits of vitamin C with turmeric, which is thought to be anti-inflammatory, so hopefully helping with headache, fever, common cold symptoms. We have an orange spice green tea, which can be very soothing if you have a cough or a sore throat. We have our vitamin C gummies, which the really great thing about those is that they're grab and go, and in an 8-ounce serving of Florida orange juice, you get 137% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C.
And frozen?
Yes. If you want something cool, maybe help with a sore throat, this is a great option.
All right, Samira, thanks so much for being here. We appreciate it. If you'd like more information, you can go to floridajuice.com.